Hello, it is Friday. It is the 5th of October, 2012. I've talked a couple times or a few times about two different trend lines on the daily chart. There's this one, which contains a very low rate of ascent, and then introduce this higher rate of ascent trend line. Still could be recaptured, but it has been breached. Therefore, what would the next trend line be? Something like that? Possible. It might even be this one as well, which is pretty much the same rate of ascent. We'll have to wait and see how this is going because, well, we're now in day number 16, I think it is, of not breaking out nor that of breaking down. There has been several multi-month highs that have come into play. And of course, it is held above the 33 very well. Today, there was a move that brought it down to 34.29. And let's take a look at how this occurred on the 1 minute time frame. It all started at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time or 12:30 Greenwich Time. And let's just take a look at the monstrosity of what occurred. You started around 30.49, and within that minute, it goes down to 34.29. That is a loss of about 60 cents, of course, in less than 60 seconds. 35 cents would be 1%, so it's almost that of 2%. It ends the minute at around 34.76, 34.77. And then it retraces back down to 34.47. So it's about 30 cents additional again, or about that of 0.5%. Recaptures this level in here. There's a little bit of less volatile, choppy action, and then things slow down again. And also, it shows that it is held and stayed above this line, showing that instantly, it looks as if the selling has done just that, a fail, which is something you look for in advance. You see the failed moves before the fast move has taken place, which is one of these situations. Of course, a setup can also be a failed move as well. So this really does tell me that the movements should be getting wild fairly soon, but again, when we look at this on the daily time frame, it is getting very neutral. And when you have a neutral choppy market, very oftentimes you have an exceptional amount of failed moves that just makes it a choppy market. Overall, it's like talking about the sheep who cried wolf. At least that's how I feel as I keep on saying every single day, at least in here and in here, this is looking very super bullish, but I say this every single day, and each day we stay in this range, mainly between the very high 33s and the very low 35s, as the range that it has stayed within. So I guess you wait for the breakout above 35.5 or the breakdown below 33 and a third or so. That'll be it. Take care.